Hey, Mike here at AK Manufacturing again. We're working on this drawing right here, which is gonna end up being a cart for the military. Very thin wall aluminum tubing. Thomas has got his parts tacked in place, and now he's gonna MIG them up with his, TIG it up with his TIG gun and a rod. Go ahead, Thomas. You gotta have a steady hand for this, because this is very thin wall, lightweight tubing, and he's welding on a gusset to it that's 1/4 of an inch thick, way thicker than the tubing is. And so you just got to have a good steady hand. You got to know what you're doing. You can see him adding a little bit of the filler rod in there as he goes down. And in just a minute when he finishes, I'm going to show you the completed weld. Let you see what some good welding looks like. And there we go right there. Look at those little nickels all laid up in a row. Here at AK Manufacturing, we don't play. We just get the job done. Y'all have a great day. God bless.